Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we're going to look at the solution to our third exercise using method 2, which is our trace line or water line method for finding um, our vertical and horizontal trace. So here we have our elevation and plan and our 3D already set up. So the approach that we're taking is similar to the previous exercises. The first thing we're going to do is take a horizontal line across our piece so that we can get our line parallel to the horizontal trace. So there is the line, the position I'm going to choose this time. You can see from my point here, there he is over here, and you can see he's going to be parallel to the horizontal trace in plan view. So we find him in elevation, which is parallel to the horizontal trace in elevation. Remember, the horizontal trace is on the ground. So there's the horizontal trace in elevation. He is parallel to him in elevation. When we find it in plan view by simply projecting it down, there is our line, our trace line in our plan view, and he'll still be parallel to the horizontal trace in our plan view. So we now know the angle for our horizontal trace, and we need to find a single point on that horizontal trace, which we use our extending method to find. So any of our edges, either this edge here or this edge here. So I'm going to choose this front one, project it down until it hits the ground. There it is, our point on our trace in elevation, which we project down, and we draw our extension, giving us our point on the horizontal trace in our plan view there. And now we know the angle is parallel to this line here. So there is our horizontal trace. So that's the horizontal trace. To find the vertical trace, we're going to go and continue this watermark approach by drawing our parallel line from any point on the lamina until it meets the vertical plane, giving us the vertical trace. So in this example here, there is our point I'm going to pick, so the top point up here, this point here in plan view, and our watermark is going to look parallel to our horizontal trace, parallel to our strike line or our trace line here, and there is our line like that. And I extend it on until it meets the back wall. That's our XY line in our plan view, our vertical plane, which we project up into our elevation, and our watermark line is going to look like a horizontal line in elevation. Why? Because our horizontal trace is horizontal in elevation. That's why this guy is horizontal as well. So that gives us our point on the vertical trace, which we then extend on, giving us the solution to our vertical and horizontal trace for our lamina. And that's method 2 then, finding our VTH.